Okay, fifth graders, this is the crossword puzzle word bank that I have for you that goes along with our lesson today. So the across clues are going to be one of the words in the across section. I'll just read those real quick. I put them in alphabetical order. Axe, blank, echo, end, face, leadership, morning, mysterious, neat, own, partner, quote, regular, rest, sphere, thud, and wrapped. All right, those are the words for the across clues, and the down words for the down clues are consequences, cowboy, destroy, earthworm, envious, excited, experiment, his, late, leap, mango, rain, speed, style, tight, we. All right, so I hope that helps you with your crossword puzzle today, and have a great day. Bye.